Hey guys, how's it going? This is a VSS-30 keyboard by Yamaha that has a couple of broken keys. We'll be replacing those with a brand new set of 3D printed keys. As you can see here, there are two keys broken off, and we tried to gluing these back on, but they didn't hold for very long. So I decided to model a complete set that we can install on this to replace the originals. We have to remove this strip here to access the screws. And you can start by peeling up one edge with a spudger tool, or you can use a small screwdriver or a guitar pick. It's just snapped in place, and you just need to carefully pry up. Try not to break it, as it can be fairly brittle being as old as it is. Just take your time. Just kind of slide it out through the side. There are 6 screws holding this in. Just a Phillips. Once all the screws are out, same thing, just kind of take your time popping these out. They're hooked in near the front edge. Just take your time here again, and it'll eventually come out. Another thing that happens is these hooks will break off on these spots here, and you can get a loose key, kind of one that sticks up higher than the other one. If there's a lot of debris in here, it's a good idea to clean it all up. Here's a set we printed in kind of multicolor filament. Don't really like the look too much, but it was kind of neat just to kind of test it out. Here's the one we printed in white. Looks much nicer. We also tried to find one that was more ivory colored, but didn't have much luck there, so we're just going to stick with the white here. You put these in, there's a foam pad mounted on the underside of where the hooks go. You need to make sure you clear those when you slide this assembly in. Just make sure all the keys are free. And the reason this is in 2 halves is the printer wasn't large enough to print all the keys in one part, but this makes it easier to install also. Just testing to make sure the keys are free, and reinstall the screws. Just make them snug. If you over tighten it, you will strip them out. Looks like this is good. Nothing's sticking, everything's smooth. Before we snap this in, we'll test it, make sure all the keys work. Very nice. Then just snap this back into place. And that's it. Voila. As you can see here, they look pretty nice. Feel nice. This keyboard is as good as new, and hopefully we'll get many more years of enjoyment from this. If you like this video, I would appreciate a like, and if you'd like to see more videos like this, definitely hit the subscribe and the notification bell, and looking forward to doing more of these videos. Thank you for watching.